Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay contactless with Revolut Junior. Revolut Junior is a debit card designed for children and teenagers to help them manage their money and make purchases independently. To pay contactless with Revolut Junior, you will need to have the card and a compatible device. First, make sure your Revolut Junior card is activated and you have sufficient funds in your account. You can check your balance and manage your account through the Revolut app. If you are a parent, you can also monitor your child's account and transactions through the app. To pay contactless, look for the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. This symbol is usually displayed on the terminal or on a sticker near the payment area. Ensure that your Revolut Junior card is within close proximity to the terminal, usually within a few centimeters. Next, hold your card near the contactless symbol on the terminal. You will hear a beep or see a light indicating that the payment is being processed. The terminal will then display the amount to be paid and ask for your confirmation. If the payment is under a certain amount, usually £30, you will not need to enter your PIN. However, for larger transactions, you will be prompted to enter your PIN to confirm the payment. Make sure to keep your PIN secure and do not share it with anyone. Once the payment is confirmed, the terminal will display a confirmation message and you will receive a notification on your device. You can also check your transaction history through the Revolut app to ensure that the payment has been processed correctly. It is essential to note that contactless payments are secure and use the same security measures as chip and PIN transactions. Your Revolut Junior card also has a spending limit and you can set additional limits and restrictions through the app. In summary, paying contactless with Revolut Junior is a straightforward process. Simply ensure that your card is activated. Look for the contactless symbol. Hold your card near the terminal and confirm the payment. Remember to keep your PIN secure and monitor your transactions through the Revolut app. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Revolut Junior card to make secure and convenient contactless payments.